Two Odd Birds by Ed Vi. Two odd birds high aloft in the sky, one a girl bird, the other a guy. Two odd birds just a-flapping along, both of them singing an odd bird song. These two odd birds didn't hang with the flock. Their hearts beat time to an odd bird clock. When the flock headed east, they both turned west, till they came to a tree and went down for a rest. Said the he-odd bird to the she-bird there, "I've not seen you before, but I dig your hair." Gee golly shucks. Then she volunteered, "I've not seen a bird with such a righteous beard." Then the he-bird said, to the she-bird rare, "I'm inclined to think we'd make a glorious pair." And the she-bird blushed and she cried just a bit, for her big heart felt this he-bird was it. Now two odd birds chase the setting sun, but no longer alone, for the two are now one.